Hello, Professor. This is Renzo Lopez. Well, I wasn't able to run it. Heavy stuff, so it was. I mean, I learned it. I liked. I did from scratch the resource, all the layouts, all the formats. Also the two content main as well. So basically, so this app from the movies is called movie collections. It has only one activity. The fragments are nested. So, for example, here. So we can see here. Now this is for the cell phone and this is for the tablet. But we can see the code here. How are the text views also nested? The grayed out. Well, I wasn't able to generate the APK file. So I was reading the developer website, and seems like since this year, all the libraries, they are no longer. So they say that you need to migrate to Android X. And despite I made a configuration here in the app about here. So despite I did all the configurations and I add all the libraries. So for example, the recycle view, the fragment, so everything with this version, which is with this support by this, always is coming up this that this version is ignored and is below the minimum support version for Android plugin 7.3. So this being the main problem. So I hope during the break, so I'm going to find out what's going on. Okay, thank you, and see you in a month. Okay, have a happy New Year and Christmas. Bye bye. Baby's crying, so bye bye.